This is good, guys. Alright, welcome back to another episode of Daily Fox with Sophie, and you can see we have a nice, delicious lava cake, which BB's mom's already eating, so yeah, BB's gonna try it and taste it. Right now we're eating ice cream. How is it?
Delish.
Uh-huh. We'll be the judge of that.
Even this smells good.
This lava cake's really good. Love the chocolatey taste of it. Okay, so Slush, eat yours. Eat a bite of that cake. Alright.
Let's watch Stranger Things.
That's good. I like it. This is my sweet surprise, isn't it? Yep. Alright guys, so our chocolate cake it's slowly decaying. So we are going to eat it, and then I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys. Want to say bye, Slush? Bye guys. I'll see you in my vlog. Yeah, you'll see Slush later on. Well, we don't post this stuff on YouTube. We don't post our crap on YouTube. But you say we don't post my crap on YouTube? Yeah, that's what I said. So now we know. So now we're gonna so guys, I will see you guys in vlog number, is it 10? No, I think it's 11. Check back in your other vlog. Oh yeah, number 11. Okay, see you guys in vlog number 11. Goodbye. And Brooke's mom's back.